You almost got him.
Come on. Come on, get back.
To your left.
I almost got him.
Oh, shoot, he's getting away.
There he goes. Stop that pooch. Stop that pooch. Man, did you ever see any huskies run by here?
A husky? Like a big person?
Husky. The hound. Damn it.
Did we lose him?
Yeah, we lost him, Bags.
Damn it. Ma'am, you happen to see any dogs run by here by chance?
I'm Officer Boggs, this is Officer O'Connell, and with Dorchester Dog Patrol.
That's not him. That's not even a dog, it's a cat.
You know, the dogs are nice. They want to be treated with respect. Sort of like humans, you know? We run a tight ship around here. But O'Connell's a good partner, he's real sharp.
Hey, O'Connell, you remember to get that Rottweiler's thyroid medication?
Rottweiler? Yeah.
Hey, Boggs, it's the dog, right?
Yeah, I joined the DDP back in '04. Back when Boggs put me through the rigorous and hands-on training. Did I lose hearing in one ear? Yeah. But did I gain the necessary skills it takes to patrol? You bet.
You know, around the office, it doesn't get too crowded. Only usually 3 or 4 of us at a time.
Dorchester Dog Patrol.
There's Charlene. She tends the phones. She was an intern. Couldn't get her to leave. Let's see, who else we got around here? Oh yeah, hey, there's Ricky. Rick's a good kid. Only guy I know to save a dog from a baseball before, so. You have the good work there, Rick.
What do we have? She's not talking. I don't trust her. Been digging at my pocket again, haven't you?
Hey, that pooch got papers?
Fuck off!
Now, I like you, but I will raise my voice. It's not all serious, you know. It's not all kibbles and bits. You know, we have fun.
Barking up the wrong tree over here.
We have fun just like every other guys, you know.
Yes, good so.
Any other patrol force out here, you know, same thing.
Where's Martinko?
We laugh. You know, exactly. Hell, we've even cried in each other's arms. Many nights.
All right, buddy, now you're not under arrest. I'm just gonna leash you while I run your tag, okay?
You know, his tag says Skip, but he looks more like a Duncan to me.
Got him.
Listen, you can't keep running away like that, pal. Right now we got a few ongoing investigations. Most we had since we started the department. 3 canine bite and runs, big flea case, 4 missing dachshunds. It's full platter, you know? It gets overwhelming at times, but I don't think anything can stop me from doing this job, you know? We do it for the neighborhood. We do it from our heart.
I'm on to something. Yep, large canine on foot, headed west. Could be a blue tick coonhound. Wait! Oh! Dogs! Oh! It was a Doberman. Traditional markings. He had a northwest. Oh my God. No collar. Oh my God. It's okay, buddy. I got you. I got an officer down. This is Officer O'Connell. I need backup. I can't quit the department. Call my wife. You don't have a wife. He's delusional. Call an ambulance.
It's been about a week and a half since the incident. Between Officer O'Connell and the rest of the crew, everyone's been super supportive. We found those 4 dachshunds, but we're still looking for the Rhodesian Ridgeback who was involved in the bite and run. But you know, this job's a real pig's ear. It's a real tennis ball in hand, you could say. Ain't nothing's gonna stop me from protecting these streets.
Never, boss.
Providing safety for all here in Dorchester. Just don't want to screw the pooch, you know? Say every dog has its day. It's a good thing I'm not a dog. You know, just trying to be man's best friend, you know? Man's best friend. Hey, where'd that dog come from? Hey, whose dog is that?
Where's that dog? Whose dog?